Next in CSS, we are going to design Amazon sign in page. So this is Amazon sign in page. So to design this page, we'll consider this whole as one div to which we are going to give name one. In this one div, we are going to design nav div in which we'll be putting this image. After this nav div, we are going to design a main div which will be holding box div, and in box div we are going to put all these things, this heading, this text box button and all. After that we are going to create a horizontal bar, and after that we are going to design one more div to which we are going to give name main2, and this main1 and main2 both are part of this one div. So this is our basic HTML code. And here within body section, first of all we have to design a div whose name is one. So div class equals to 1. So we have assigned a class 1 to this div. This is our main div. This will be holding that navigation bar, that text box section, and the section which is below that horizontal bar. So this main div is going to hold one more div to which I have assigned a class nav. In this div we are going to put that image, and after this nav div we have to create main div which is going to hold box div. So div class equals to, here I'm giving it a name main1, and in this main1 div we have to design that box div. So div class equals to box. This, in this box class we are going to design that form. Now we'll start with head section. In head section we have to give style tag, and within the style tag first of all I'm removing all the margins, paddings. So here I'm giving margin 0, padding is also 0. Then here I'm giving box sizing to border box, and font family to here it is Amazon Amber, Arial and sans serif. Save. Next we have to design this class 1. So to design this class we have to put dot 1. This is our one class, and in this class we have to set it the width and height of it. So here I'm giving height of 100 VH, and background color is white. Next we have to design this nav class in which we have to put that image, that logo. So to design this class, dot nav, and here we have to give width of it which is 100%, and here I'm choosing height for it as 50 pixel. Save. We can give it border as well, later on we'll remove that border. Border is 1 pixel, solid black. So we don't need this border because this side doesn't have that border, but this is for our convenience. Save it, and right now our site is looking like this. We haven't put anything inside it. We have just created this one class and nav class, and in nav class we have just given border. So this is the place where we have to put that image. Now here within nav we have to put that image. So to put that image, imgsrc equals to, now name of my image is logo.png. So this is my image. Save, and it is looking like this. It is too big, we have to set its width and height. So here within head section and style tag, here we are giving img, and here we are setting its width to be 120 pixel, height to be here I'm giving it 41 pixel, display to block, and margin to auto. This is going to center that image, and here we can see that it has got top margin. There is little space about this image, so here we are giving margin top, and here it is 10 pixel. Save it, and right now it is looking like this. So our image is at its place. Next we have to create this part, this form part. So we'll consider this whole section as one div, to which we'll be assigning a class main, and in that main class we'll be creating one more div to which we'll assign a class box. So we'll designing class main. So here we have given main 1, so we have to create class main 1. So after this image dot main 1, this is our class to which we have to give width, and here I'm giving width of 100%. Height I'm giving it is 350 pixel, and save it. Next we have to give here margin. We can see that here there's a space in between this image and this form div, this main div. So here I'm giving margin top, and here it is 15 pixel. Save. So right now there is no major change in our document. Now within this main div we have to create this box. So we have created this class here. This is our main div, and in this main div we have to put this class box. So in head section within style tag, after this main one I'm creating box class. So dot box, this is our class. Here I'm giving it a width of 400 pixel. Height here I'm giving it 350 pixel. Here we need to give border to our box, because here this is the box which we are creating. So here we have to give its border. So here border is 1 pixel, solid, d5, d hash, d5, d9, d9. Save. So our page is looking like this. Now we have to center it. Now to center it, we can use display property to flex. We can give this property to main div, parent div, and our parent div is main 1. So here within main 1 div We can give it inline also. So here in main one, I'm giving style equals to display to flex, justify content to center, and align items to center. This is going to center that box. So right now a box is in the center. Next we have to put this text, and we'll be putting this text inside h1 element. So within box class, box div, here I'm giving h1, and here we have to put this text. So we'll copy it from here and only, and save it. And right now it is looking like this. It is too big. We have to set its width and height, font style, size, and all. So here within h1 we have to give style equals to, first of all we are going to set its font size. So here font size I'm giving it as 25 pixel. Then font weight, here I'm giving it as 400. Then line height, it is here 1.4. Then is padding, it is 25 pixel. Save it, and right now it is looking like this on our browser. So this is our first text. Next we have to put this text, and we'll be putting it inside paragraph element. So here after this h1 within box class only we are giving p, and we'll set its style later. First of all we'll copy this text, and we'll putting inside this paragraph element. Save. So it is, this is a text. Now we have to set its style. So here I'm giving style equals to, here I'm giving padding left to 25 pixel. Then is margin bottom to 10 pixel. Save it, and refresh your page. So it is looking like this. Next we have to give this text box, or we can say email box. So for that here we have to give, after this paragraph within this box class, input type equals to, here I'm giving it as text, name, and here it is email. Then id is also I'm giving as email. Close it, save it, and this is our text box. Now we have to set its width and height. So we have to give it inside style tag and head section. So here in style tag, after this box class, I'm giving input, and here I'm giving it a width of 350 pixel, height as 40 pixel, padding here I'm giving is 5 pixel, and here we have to give margin left. So margin left, and here I'm giving it 25 pixel, because above all the elements are 25 pixel away from left margin. Then here we can see that here corners are little rounded, so we have to give border radius. So before that we have to give border is 1 pixel solid, then hash 888 C8C. Then this is the border, and now it is border radius. Here we are giving it as 5 pixel. Save it, and right now it is looking like this. Here we have to set its outline to 0. Here we can see that here there is a box shadow which is inside. So to get this box shadow, the 0, 1 pixel, 2 pixel, RGBA, and here it is 15, 17, and again 1, 5. Now this shadow should come little inside, so we have to put here inset. And yeah, background color of this box is save, and our box is looking like this. So this is our box. Now here we can see that this box is outer box, this class, this box has rounded corner. So to give rounded corner to this box, here we have to give border radius, and here it is 5 pixel. Save. So it has got little curvy corners. Next we have to put this button. We are going to put this button. So for that, here after this input type text, it is button here, button type equals to button, and here on this button we want a text which is continue. So this is our text on this button. Save it and refresh it. So this is our button. Now we have to provide styling for this button. For that, within style tag we have to create button. So here after this input, I'm giving button, and here I'm giving it a width of 350 pixel, height is 40 pixel, padding here it is 10 pixel, margin left which is 25 pixel, background color it is hash ffd 814, Then the color of the text above this button is black. Then we need to give margin to this button. To save it here. Save it, and this button is looking like this right now. Now we need to give margin from the top side. So here we have to give margin top, and here it is 15 pixel. This button has curvy corners, so border radius. Here it is 5 pixel, and box shadow. Here it is 0, 2 pixel vertical shadow, 5 pixel blur effect, 0, and RGBA, and within bracket it is 213, 217, 217, and 5. Save it, and go live. So it is looking like this. Now we have to remove its boundaries of same color as that of this background color. So here it is border color. Border color is same as this color. Save. So this is our button. Next we have to give text, this text. For this text we are going to use paragraph element. So here after giving button, here it is P, and within this P we are going to copy paste this text. Save it, and right now it is looking like this on our browser. This is our text. Here we can see that half of this text is normal and this portion is hyperlink. So here first of all we'll go for this paragraph, we'll creating hyperlink after that. So for this text here we are giving style equals to, and here I'm giving color black, font size here we are giving is 14 pixel, then margin left which is 25 pixel, save it, and it is looking like this right now. Now we need to give margin from the top side, so here we have to give margin top, and here we are giving it as 15 pixel, then as line height here I'm giving it 16 pixel, and save it. So this is our text right now. Now here we have this condition is hyperlink, so we are going to create hyperlink for it. So here before this, here we have to give anchor tag AHREF equals to, within double quotes we have to put hash. It's a dummy link, and we have to give styling for this link as well. So color of the text of this link for, what to the style. Style equals to color of the text is hash 007185. This is the text color, and then we have to give font size, and here font size was 14 pixels, so here we'll keep 14 pixel only. Save it, and our page is looking like this. Now we have to give this second line of our text, which is also a hyperlink. So for that, here we'll be putting it inside a paragraph element. So P, and this is our text of you. It is of use and see notice. Now here we can see that except this and everything is hyperlink. So here we are going to do the same thing. We'll copy and paste styling from above. Save it, and it is looking like this right now. Now here we can see that we need to change top margin. So here I'm changing top margin from 15 pixel to 5 pixel. Save. So here top margin is gone. Now off use and privacy notice both are hyperlinks, so we have to create hyperlink for that. So here a h r e f equals to, within double quotes, it is hash here, and we have to close this anchor tag after this, and again we have to start anchor tag here. Save it, and page is looking like this right now. Next we have to give this horizontal line. So to give this line here, after this we have to give hr tag, and we have to give style to it. Style equals to, first of all we are giving color to it, which is 2 pixel, hash 31 a1 solid. Then margin left, here it is also 25 pixel. Then it is looking like this here right now. We have to give margin from the top side, because it is attaching, it's this line is getting attached with the text above. Margin top, and here it is 15 pixel. Save. So this is our horizontal line. Here we have to give margin right as well. So here we have to give margin right. and here also I'm giving it this 15 pixel. Instead of 15 we have to get 25 pixel. So this is our horizontal line. Next we have to give this text. Next, after creating this horizontal ruler, we have to give this text. So here we'll be putting this text within the paragraph tag P. We'll be providing styling later, and our text is, we'll copy it from here. Right now it is looking like this. Now we have to give styling for this text. So here style equals to of this color of this text should be black. Font size, here we are giving it as 14 pixel. Then is margin left, which is 25 pixel. We need to give margin from top also. So margin top, and here it is 15 pixel. Then is font weight, and it is 700 pixel we are giving. Save, and this is our text. Next we have to give this line of text. This whole is a hyperlink. So we're putting it inside paragraph P, and within paragraph we have to give a href equals to, within double quotes we have to give hash. What styling we need to give for hyperlink? Okay, we don't want underline, so style equals to text decoration to none, and here within paragraph we can give other styling like margin left style equals to margin left, and it is 25 pixel. Margin top, it is 25 pixel. Instead of 25 we are giving 15 pixel. Then text decoration is none, we have already given, and font size. Yeah, it is 14 pixel. Save it, and here we have to give the text. So shop on Amazon business. This is our text. Save it, and our page is looking like this right now. Here we are going to decrease this top margin. So here we have given margin top as 15. So instead of 15, I'm putting 10 here. Save, and next we have to change its font color. So here we have to put color, and the color we have to give the same, that is hash 007185, hash 007185. Save, So instead of putting it here, we'll be putting this in this anchor tag. Save it, and this is the color of text. Now we need to change color of text of off use and privacy notice. So here style equals to, this is a text color of that link, and here also we have to go style, and here it is text color. Save, and our page is looking like this right now. Now we need to give this portion of our page. So this was inside div class 1. In div class 1 we have main 1, in which we have put this form, and this main 2, and in between main 1 and main 2 we have to give this HR. So here we are giving this horizontal ruler. So this horizontal ruler will come outside this main 1, but inside 1. So this is HR, and here we have to do style equals to color, and here we are giving it a color gray. Then is margin top, and here it is 10 pixel we are giving. Save it, and this is our horizontal line. Now we need to put this text. So for this text we are going to create one more class, that is main2. So here after we have created button as our last, here we are going to create dot main2, and here I'm giving it a width of 100%, and height is also 100%. Save, and you can see this is our page. We haven't done anything inside here. Now we need to put this text, so we'll be putting it inside paragraph element. So here within main2 we are creating paragraph. Here we have to give, after this HR, div class equals to main2, and within this main2 I have to give paragraph, and within this paragraph we have to give that text, and the text is in the form of link. Both of all these things are links. So here we have to give a href equals to style equals to color. Here we are giving color hash 007185, color hash 007185. This is the color of that text. Then we have to give text decoration to none, and here we have to put text which is conditions of use. After this anchor tag we have to give a little space, because here we can see that there is little space in between. So for that we are going to use ampersand em 14, again ampersand emsp14, and after that we will start again anchor tag ahref equals to within double quotes we have to give hash, and same style we have to give style equals to color. Here we are going to give color is same as this color and text decoration to none. Again we have to give a little space. For that we are going to use this thing, and again anchor tag with same formatting, and here we have to give text help. Save it and go live. So this is our text. Now we need to put it in center, and next we have to reduce its font size. So to reduce font size here, and here we are going to give p style equals to, and here it is text align to center, then is font size. Here we are giving font size of 12 pixel, and we need to give margin from top as well because right now it is looking like this. So here margin top, and here we are giving it as 15 pixel. Save. So this is our page right now. Next we need to increase the space in between them, so we need to put this thing here, ampersand emsp14. We'll copy it, save. So we can see that here a space in between these have increased. Next we have to give this line of text, this last. So we'll be putting paragraph tag for it. So here after this, within this main two, here we are giving one more paragraph element p, to which we are giving style equals to text align to center because we want that text in the center only. Then is margin top. Here we are giving it as 15 pixel, and the font size which is 12 pixel, and we'll copy paste the text from here. Save it, and right now our page is looking like this. Till now we have prepared the sign in page to this point. Now we need to give focus effect to its text box, like whenever we are clicking inside it, we can see its border color out, and background color changing. We need to give this effect to our page text box. So for that, here input, when we focus on it, then its border to be 1 pixel solid black. Background color should be hash F7FEFF, and its outline should be, here I'm giving 4 pixel, hash ABE1 F F0. Solid. Save it and refresh your page. So now whenever we are clicking inside it, its background color plus its border color is changing. Now we need to remove this line because there is no such line here. So for that, here we have to go to nav class where we have given border to 1 pixel solid black. We are removing it, save it. So we can, so here the border is gone. Now we can see here that we have got here a scroll bar. So to remove this, because here the side doesn't have this bar, so to remove this here, we have to give overflow to hidden. This is going to remove that scroll bar from that page. So this is our page we have designed. When I'm clicking inside it, its border color, background color is changing.